Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be doing a full respray on this 1991 Dodge Ram pickup. It's a Cummins turbo diesel pickup, and it's gonna be going the original color. The original color is white, so it's gonna be going white. All right guys, so let's just start off and go from there. Like always, what I do is try to look for the dents. Okay, so let's start finding the dents and start marking them. Okay, and that's the way I look for the dents. I just look down the side and start marking them. I used a white Sharpie. I should have used black, but I can still see them. So that's what I do. I marked all the way around, and this truck's gonna have these moldings out. This one's not gonna go back in, so I'm gonna have to remove all that and remove the mirrors. I'm gonna remove the doors so that I can paint the inside of the cab easier. I'm more than likely gonna remove the bed. It's a lot easier for me to paint the bed and then paint the cab, because it's a real long truck. It's a long bed, but I'll do it that way. It's a lot easier. Okay, the windows are gonna be removed, so I can get paint all inside these moldings. Okay, so the windows are going to be removed also. So next, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to start sanding the areas that don't have dents. Like the fenders don't have dents. The hood doesn't have dents. So I'm going to start sanding all this so that I can advance on the truck. Okay, let me start doing that. I'm going to start sanding it with 180 grit sandpaper and go from there. Alright, after taking all the moldings off and sanding this, what I mentioned, this is sanded with 180 right now. I'm still gonna wet sand and do all that, but I started fixing the dents on the bed and everything. And this is what happened. Okay, the paint's coming off extremely easy, which is not good. Reason being is that if I apply my paint on top of this, my paint's gonna fall. I need to take all this paint off so that I can apply it from the beginning, because this is no good. All right, so let me show you how easy this thing is coming off. All I'm doing, I got myself a razor blade and just removing it. That's how easy this thing is coming off. There you go. So I can't leave this here because it's just gonna ruin my paint job. Okay, so let me just finish up, take all the paint off, and I'll bring you back once everything has been taken off. I already unbolted the bed also. The bed's gonna come off. But let me finish this off and I'll bring you back. Alright guys, everything has been finished. Everything has been removed. All the paint that was peeling. All the dents have been fixed. The bed has been removed from the truck. And it's ready to go. I was gonna paint it today, guys. I was gonna add that on this video, but my sealer didn't arrive, so I'm gonna have to wait. I just don't want to leave you without a video this weekend. So this will be it. I hope you guys like it. I also have the 37 already right there, and it's here. It's in excellent condition. Excellent condition. So hopefully that's coming soon. So yes guys, like I said, everything has been wet sanded also. I wet sanded it with 320, then 400, and it's ready to go. All these, I still need to put some self-etching primer on those, and we'll be good. Alright guys, so this will be it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. It's kind of short, but I have some things that didn't arrive soon, so I'll try to get you this video, the spraying of this bed, during the week if I can. If not, it'll have to be until next weekend, guys. All right guys, thank you very much. Stay safe. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Also hit that like button, and this will be it, guys. This will be it for this video. All right guys, thank you, and like always, have a great weekend, and God bless.